Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my channel today, I will be talking about mistakes you must not make as a yogurt maker. So the first thing I would like to talk about today is your milk. As a yogurt maker, you need to have a specific brand of milk. Out there we have different types of milk. We have Dano, we have Super Cow, we have Lacto-Rich. So as a yogurt maker, you need to have a specific brand of milk. If you want to stick to Lacto-Rich, stick to Lacto-Rich. If you want Dano, then go for Dano. By sticking to a particular brand of milk will help you in divining your yogurt. The texture of your yogurt will be well divined by those that are buying from you. The second thing that is very important as a yogurt maker is your measuring scale. It is very, very important in the sense that if you want to do a 500 grams of milk, you will be very sure that, okay, this is 500 grams of milk, so that you will not be guessing, okay, this one will be up to, and of which in the real sense it might not be up to 500, or it might even be more than 500 grams. So your measuring scale is very, very important. You must try and get a measuring scale. This one you are seeing in the video is not even up to 5,000 naira. So you can get a lesser measuring scale. So when you want to do 500 grams, you will be very sure you are doing 500 grams. If you want to do 1,000 grams, you will be well assured that this is 1,000 grams. So your measuring scale is very important. This will give you an accurate texture of your yogurt. The texture of your yogurt will be very accurate. As you can see in the video, this bowl is weighing 175 grams and my intention is to measure 1,000 grams of milk. So the bowl is weighing 175 grams already. So by the time I add my 1,000 grams of milk, that means I will be getting 1,175 grams. So the best and correct way of getting your accurate milk is, first you need to measure your bowl, because surely your bowl will be having its own weight. So for you to get these accurate grams of milk that you are using, firstly you must measure your bowl and then add the grams of milk you want. As this bowl is weighing 175, if I want to add 500 grams of milk, then it should be giving me 675. So that is the best and accurate way of weighing your milk. Another reason why your measuring scale is important is also because of your water measurement. For example, when I want to use 2 liters of water, I make use of 500 grams of milk. So what will now happen if I don't have a measuring scale? That means I will have to be guessing the measuring of the water, which is wrong. It will always affect the texture of your yogurt. So you must have a measuring scale so that you will be able to measure your milk and your water. This is 1,000 grams of milk and that is 4 liters of water. So your water measurement is also very important. This will help people to divine the texture of your yogurt. When they taste your yogurt, they know, okay, this yogurt is from so person. So your water measurement must be very accurate. 2 liters of water to 500 grams of milk, 1 liter of one 4 liters of water to 1,000 grams of milk. So your water measurement is also very important, and you must not make a mistake with this. And you must be consistent. If you want to make if your own is using 600 grams to 2 liters of water, anyhow you want it, just but it is very important to be consistent and stable with your measurement. Don't use 500 grams today and tomorrow you use 400 grams. That is very, very important to take note of. Another thing to take note of while making your yogurt is the aftermath of mixing the milk. When you mix it with water, for you for your yogurt and for your milk to be lumps free, please always inculcate the habit of sieving your milk, because there is no how you are going to mix that milk that at the end of the day it won't still have some little lumps. Even after you think, okay, I've mixed it enough, there is no way there won't be at least few drops of lumps. So please always inculcate the habit of sieving the milk even after you are sure that there is no lump. If at the end of the day you have nothing to lose if there is no lumps when you sieve, but at least you will be rest assured that yes, there is no lump in the milk. Another thing to take note of is how long do you boil your milk? This is also very important. These are few things that people don't take note of, and at the end of the day, it will affect the texture of your yogurt. How long do you boil your yogurt? Do you boil your yogurt for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes or more? So you need to stick to a particular minute that you will be using to boil your yogurt. If you want to boil it for 20 minutes, then stick to that 20 minutes. If it is 30 minutes, then always time your yogurt. And when you boil your yogurt, how long do you allow it? To what particular degree do you allow it to cool off before adding your culture? So these are the little things that are very important and you need to take note of. Please, if you are learning one or two things from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. Another thing to take note of is your culture yogurt. We have different brands of culture yogurt out there. Stick to a particular brand of culture yogurt. And if you want homemade culture yogurt, then stick to it. Don't use homemade culture yogurt today, and tomorrow you use commercial culture yogurt. So look for a particular brand of culture yogurt that you like and you like the outcome of the yogurt and stick to it. This is also very important and will give you the same texture of yogurt you are making. The next thing to take note of is how you incubate your yogurt, because how you incubate your yogurt will determine the outcome of your yogurt. In this video, I intentionally use two methods of incubation. The first one, which is by using cooler to incubate the yogurt and using cloth to cover the yogurt after I already put it in the cooler. And the second one is by just putting it inside the microwave. And you will see that at the end of the video, the outcome of the yogurt are totally different, despite the fact that I use the same milk for the two methods. The first one, which I covered very well, you can see how thick it comes out. As you can see, it comes out very thick. And the second one, which I put inside the microwave, you can see the outcome of that one. So your incubation process is also very important because the incubation will determine how your yogurt will come out. Please, if you have not liked this video, please don't forget to like so that YouTube algorithm will push this video to the right audience. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.